I hope I did the right thing.
You have come to the right place. Everyone indeed knows me and Virat. In fact, you did the right thing. You should be rewarded.
Ma'am, actually, I don't want any reward. I just need your permission.
Permission for what?
Actually, I don't have a house to stay. My landlord threw me out of the house a few days back and someone else offered him more rent. So if you give me the permission to stay here, then...
Of course. You can stay here.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Whatever I had heard about you is indeed true.
You rest. We'll talk later.
I'll just make a phone call.
What's all this, Mom? You permitted an unknown girl to stay in this house without any inquiry. I think she is nothing but a liar. I don't trust her at all.
I'm about to become MP. Will someone make your mother a minister so casually? The name of the Raichan family is renowned for social service. The media will also know that we have sheltered a homeless girl in our own house. Then just imagine the kind of boost it will give my political career.
For your political career, you permitted an unknown person to stay in this house.
Virat, I can't understand why you are getting so angry. Son, you should be happy with my decision. Suppose if we refuse her, then she will go to a girls' hostel. What about Nikku? He will go in police custody. Son, what will happen to you if he goes to the police?
I refused it so many times. But you're still here. Where did you find Nikku? And why did you bring him here?
God's play is really strange. You didn't want me to come here, right? But he made Nikku a medium for me. And then I came here.
What do you think? You will say such nonsense and after that you can start living over here? Let alone a day. I won't let you stay for a minute. Come.
I will tell Roma ma'am everything if you try to force me, sir.
Really? Now you are threatening me. Do what you want. I'll see how many days you can stay here.
Mom, all of that is fine. But she is not as innocent as she seems. And the biggest problem is Nikku, who should have been dead by now, but he's still alive and in a house.
Deep, I understand that. I understand what you are referring to.
What happened, Virat? You're always ready to raise a finger on me, right? I was given the job of killing Arohi and I succeeded. What about you?
I did my job too. I shot him to kill. But the bullet missed. He was running. The police suddenly reached there at that time. I had to flee from there. Or I would have emptied my gun on his head. Tara was there. I asked her. She said he died. Never mind. He survived at that time. Now he won't survive.
Wait, Virat.
Let him go. He doesn't understand that it's good for him that Nikku is here. Deep, come with me. I need to discuss something important with you. Come.
Your entry was amazing. You succeeded to enter the house. Congratulations. You'll be informed later what to do next. When will my real work start? You will get your answers really very soon. You just stay alert of Deep and Virat.
Excuse me? Is his name Niku?
Doctor? What are you doing here? Who called you here?
I don't have time to talk. The kid is in a bad state. Let me check him up.
Who called him here?
I don't know. But who can call a doctor here?
No matter who called him. But he cannot be here. Hey, get up and leave.
The kid is not doing well. I think the bullet must have touched his head and passed. Also, his dressing is not done properly. How can anyone be so cruel to a child?
Forget about the kid, you have nothing to do with him. Right now, it would be best for you to get lost from here. Get up. Come on, get up.
Look, I have nothing to do with him, but the cops certainly have. I will call the cops right away.
Son-in-law, I have been noticing. You have changed. Whenever I win and our enemy is defeated, the look on your face changes.
Mom, what are you even saying? What does that mean?
When Virat said that he will kill Niku, you actually got restless. You looked upset. Why?
Mom, I shot the biggest enemy of this family. I shot Arohi and I killed her. And you doubt me? I didn't care about Arohi's nephew, but about Virat. If Virat harms that kid and something happens to him, and then Virat gets into trouble, that will eventually affect your image. That's why.
Hey, listen, where are you going?
We want to talk to ma'am.
No, wait, you can't
Hey,
go
we need to
inside.
talk to her.
Just wait.
Media. Greetings.
Congratulations, ma'am. You'll be a member of the Council of States. What do you have to say on this?
We will talk about that later. Would you like to have something to eat or drink? It's too hot outside. Bindya, please arrange for cold drinks and snacks, please.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, my phone.
You don't threaten a cop. That you will call the cops. Got it?
Stop, brother Virat. There's no point hitting him over here. Let's take him to mom.
Let's go.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What? Listen.
It's not just about me, it's a tradition in the Raichand family, and we have been doing social service all our life. I was married in this family at a very young age. All I did was adapt to this tradition, that's all. I want everyone in the new and young India to be educated. Also,
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What? Leave me. Just let me go. Leave me. What are you doing?
What are you doing, Virat? Leave him.
Leave him, why? Oh. So you called this doctor here to save Niku, right?
Are you even crazy? I didn't even know that he's a doctor. Or where he has come from. I am stopping you from defaming Mom. Look at that downstairs. The media is here. If you misbehave with him or create a scene, then you know what the results will be. Mom's defamation.
Then who called this doctor over here? And what's the media doing here? What's going on here?
Only the doctor can tell who called him here.
Correct. Come here and tell me who called you here. Tell me or I know how to make you confess. Come on!
Mind your language. Is this the way to talk to a doctor?
Virat, leave him. Doctor, I would like to apologize on his behalf. It is very important for us to know that who called you over here.
Someone from this house had called me. And it was a female. She said that the child is really very sick and he is badly injured. That's why I came running. But however, humanity has no value nowadays. I am leaving.
Get out.
Who must have called him?
That's what I am wondering. Either an old enemy has got back to life or we have a new enemy now. I'll have to find out. Saved. Chavani, I saved Niku's life today only because of you.
Come on, Arohi. I didn't do anything at all. I had just called the media. And all the reporters also came quickly. And also you did a very good thing by calling the doctor.
But I made a small mistake. I never had the chance to explain to the doctor. In front of Deep and Virat, he said that the person who called him was a female.
Who is the female who informed the doctor? Kalyani is dead. You killed Arohi. So who is this? Who is this female now?
There are only 4 women in this house at the moment. You, Tara, Bindya and Vedika. You and Tara haven't called. Bindya doesn't have the guts to call the doctor. Now the one who remains is your guest, Vedika.
Yes, Mom. I also doubt her.
If you have a doubt, then keep an eye on her. Find a solution to this problem.
Okay, I'll check.
Deep, my responsibilities have increased. Along with the family, I also have the burden of politics. A lot of ministers, industrialists, and the media will come home. I don't want anyone to ask me even once about that child. Whenever you get the time, deal with the boy discreetly. I'm done with this Arohi chapter. It's enough now.
But Arohi, I am getting very worried about Niku. You have saved him somehow, but they won't really tolerate him anymore. And according to them, Arohi is also dead. You listen to me. You take away your Niku and go far away from here.
Chavani, you are absolutely right. I thought the same. That I'll send Niku far from here. But then I thought that these people are very cunning and can go anywhere looking for him, and I don't know what they will do with him then. So it's better that he is always with me.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.